Another beautiful letter, J. Letter J. Okay? Letter J, a very interesting letter. Like another walking stick. J, and small one, very simple, just with the dot. So you write J. The sound of the letter J is J. You love jelly, isn't it? You have jelly, you will have jam. Now, here I have jelly, here I have jam. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, with what will I eat with it? J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. The letter J, the sound is J. Jam. Jelly. Jug. Jar. Juice. You also have name, Jane. Now, sound of letter J is J. What's the sound? J. We all love kings, isn't it? King. Now, the letter K, a very lovely letter to write, easy to write. K. One long line and one top line and again another line. K. Letter K has got a similar sound as letter C. So both sounds K. Okay. Now small k is like this, long line, again up and down. So you write the K like this, capital, and small one, you write it like this, K. The sound of C and K sound K. Now, you all love to fly kite, isn't it? So now let's sing. Imagine. Kites are flying in the sky, k. Kites are flying in the sky, k. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, k. The letter K. The sound is K. Kite. Yes, very good. Next, king. Key. Kettle. Knob. Knot. You make knot with the cord. Knob. Doorknob. The sound of the letter K is K. Kite, king, key, kettle, knot, knob. Letter K has got the sound K. The next letter is a very easy loud sound, easy to write, you love it. L. The letter L. The letter L is written like this. The first straight line down and the next you have this L. Say that L. And then you have as a simple one like this L. So you see now from top to bottom and to your right letter L. We all love to eat lollipop, okay? Now hold a lollipop in your hand. Yes. Now lick it. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. That's the sound of L. Isn't it easy? We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Now give me some words. Letter. Yes. Letter. Lemon. Yes. Lamb. Small animal. Lamb. You also have the lamp hanging on top. Lamp. Then we have the lion. Leaf. You have leaf. Letter. You write a letter to Mama. Lime. You love to eat lime. Letter L, the sound is remember the lollipop? That's the sound of L.